My name is Carolina. Welcome to my video about Co-opt in PowerLead system. No, it's not a rumor. It's right. It's available right now. The Diamond package is a fact. PowerLead system has officially launched this highly anticipated package. I am completely fired up with these amazing possibilities, so let's the party begin. The product is called the $1 Million Secret to get unlimited free advertising. This product will be on high demand and you can be one of the very first to own it. So what's next? Well, here's the best part of the plan we can share with you right now. Did we mention explosive commissions? The Diamond package membership will teach you how to build an organization through the power of co-opt advertising. How can it help you? Imagine a program that teaches you to co-opt without using any of your own money. How to get other people involved. How to get a tremendous amount of leads coming. Where you set yourself up and you don't have to pay a dime for it. Because you are the one that orchestrates it all. You can use in the checkout process in the PowerLead system. Once you own the program, you do not have to sell or explain it. It is going to be offered to anyone who subscribes for free trial automatically. It pays you an extra $100 commission. Where you got roll-up sales, they are rolling up to your pay line. Replace the $20 commission and add an extra $100 commission every time you see the residual $20 income. That is the power of this Diamond package. And if this is not all, you have also the possibility to have an extra 25% bonus match for every person that you personally enroll at the Diamond level. Every single Wednesday, commissions are paid. Bring people to your funnel and upgrade to the Diamond package. Do not lose commissions ever in this business. I like to thank you, each of you, and wish you an amazing week or weekend, and hope to meet you in my next video. See you, Carolina. Bye.